Pirates taking on the Reds. Andrew McCutchen and the Pirates opening up a 10-game homestand at PNC Park against their division rivals. Top of the first, A.J. Burnett dealing for Pittsburgh, and he started out strong, striking out Chris Heisey. Then Joey Votto to end the frame. Bottom half of the inning, 2 outs, runners on first and second. Russell Martin with a single to left field off of Mike Leake. Neil Walker scores, so it's 1-0 Pittsburgh. The Pirates get the first run of the season for Burnett, coming in his 3rd start. Next inning, Reds answer. Brandon Phillips takes Burnett deep and gone to center. The solo shot ties the game up at 1. Phillips' 3rd homer of the season. Bottom half of the inning, 1 out. Neil Walker up with the bases loaded against Mike Leake.
To center field, a base hit. Snyder will score. Here comes Barmison right behind him. Marte safe at 3rd. Walker safe at 2nd. Pirates lead it 3-1.
Next batter, Andrew McCutchen. He pokes one into left field. Starling Marte and Walker come in to score. Pirates lead grows to 5-1. Top of the 7th, 2 outs, a runner on first. Pirates now up 5-3. Brandon Phillips facing the reliever Tony Watson with Chris Heisey on first. And Phillips has his 2nd home run of the game to center once again. His 4th of the year. That ties the game up at 5. Bottom half of the inning, McCutchen up facing J.J. Hoover.
And McCutchen hits it well to left field. Back it goes. It is gone. A home run. Andrew McCutchen. And the Pirates are back in front 6-5.
McCutchen's 2nd home run of the year. Pirates still up 1 in the top of the 9th, 2 outs. Jason Grilli trying to shut the door for Pittsburgh, and he strikes out Brandon Phillips to end the game. Pirates win 6-5. Grilli's 4th save of the year. Tony Watson earns his 1st win. McCutchen finishes 2 for 4 with 3 RBI. Neil Walker also finishes 2 for 4. Cincinnati's Joey Votto now has reached base in all 10 games this year. And for Brandon Phillips, it's his 10th multi-home run game of his career.